Pipelines are the backbone of industrial operations. They must deliver mechanical strength, chemical resistance, and long-term durability. But when it comes to integrating them into complex facilities, the gap between concept and implementation can be significant. Amiblu bridges that gap. We turn complex project needs into fully integrated pipe systems, combined with lifecycle services that ensure fast installation and long-term reliability. With deep expertise across industrial applications, we deliver solutions for every level of complexity and the harshest operating conditions. Decades of R&D and field experience have shaped methods that work and systems that last. From the ground up to full operation, we help build the infrastructure industry relies on to move, evolve, and endure.